Oh yeah, you already know, baby. That's right, we are playing Mooshie's Kitchen 2. Yeah, I kept my promise. We are indeed going to play this game. So, here we go. Did you find Mitch's card and keys in the first game? Yes. Did you have the toilet guy in the first game? Yes. Did you hit Mooshie with a crowbar in the first game? No. After Chaotix escaped from Mooshie's, he was sure he had hit and killed Mooshie with his crowbar. However, Todd was soon approached by the FBI and the US government because of his awesome survival skills to go back to Mooshie's kitchen on a top secret black operations mission and stop him once and for all. Well, yippee! If Todd can finally kill Mooshie, he'll be given a status, and he will never have to pay his taxes in his life again. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, that's worth the risk of fighting Mooshie. Oh. Well. That's concerning. Oh, Steve, is that you?
Todd, is that you? You're crazy for coming back here. Mooshie has forced me to eat all these people he's killed the past few weeks, and it's making me sick. If you want to kill Mooshie, you'll need to free Plooshie from my workshop. The key is in a safe in Mooshie's room. Watch out for cannibals, they're looking for blood.
Okay, I shall gain access to the workshop. Oh no, evil Mooshie. Well, damn. Alrighty then. Mooshie's closet. Anything in here? There's a power box. Doesn't look like. Oh yeah. What the? Where? Oh, hi there. What? Did my man just was it? My man, come on. Not cool. Oh, there's a code. Okay. Good thing to know there's a code. Okay. Stay out. Anything in here? Where? Oh, here. Go away. Oh. Okay. Hold on, what did you say it was again? Wait, where am I going? Shit, I already forgot my task. Okay, you want some? Bro, stop make the noise. So obviously I need a code. Need to enter a safe code. Oh, I can enter in here. She said this. Fuck you. Wait, hold on. I need to do that. Where she says, fuck you. Ooh woo. Okay. Oh. Hello there, sir. Who are you?
Are you Todd, mate? I've been stuck in Mooshie for about a week, yeah?
What's that, mate?
You want Mooshie's safe code? If you can find me some tea and biscuits, I'll give you Mooshie's safe code. Hurry up, mate, I'm starving. My queen's waiting for me.
The biscuit can spawn in one of 4 random locations. Good to know. Well, first I'm gonna check the kitchen, because that seems like the most reasonable place. It's a coffee mug. I don't see it in here anywhere. Maybe in Mooshie's office? No, not in there. Where? Oh shit, there's 3 of them. Stop making that. noise. It's rooting me out, man. Tea and biscuits. Tea and biscuits. It's in here. Tea and biscuits. Tea and biscuits. Laser switch. Okay, good to know. Wait, laser switch. Up there. Have you happened to see any tea and biscuits laying around anywhere? No? Okay. This is probably gonna take some time. None here. Not there. Maybe it's in the bathroom. Oh. Okay, that almost killed me. Aha! Tea and biscuits. Okay. I shall talk to Aaron before more cannibals come out and kill me. Here you go. Thanks, lad. Before I go, I'll give you Mooshie's safe code. There you go, mate. Now, if you excuse me, I have to see my queen. Okay, 7115. For England, Todd. Alright. Oh my god, he's Naruto running. Oh. Hi, Steve. What's up? Hey, Todd. Just wanted to see how you're doing. You're looking kind of tasty, Todd. Hey, yo. Mind if I have a slice of your flesh? You don't have to. Just asking. Oh, that's a relief. Okay. Okay, quickly. Okay. 7115. Aha. Saving. That's not a good sign. Okay. I can now get into here. Oh no. This will lasers to get the Plooshie. Well, luckily I know where the lasers are. They're in here. No, you don't. Come on, fight me. Oh, there's more. Stop moaning. Okay. Oh my god, that's horrible. I'm sorry this happened. Plooshie needs your help. Mooshie wants to become president. Plooshie must stop Mooshie. Mooshie tortured Plooshie worse than Steve. Plooshie is Steve's wife. Steve put wife inside Plooshie. Please pull out knives. Okay, got it. I got you, don't worry. And last one. There you go. You bring Mooshie to Plooshie. Plooshie wants a ban from Mooshie. Then Plooshie forgives Steve and get remarried. Get Mooshie. I shall get him. Question is, where is? He's right there. Oh my god, he's salsa dancing. Hey. Yeah, come on, come get some. Come get some. Oh shit, they fight. Oh shit, who's gonna win? Come on, Plooshie. You got this, Plooshie. Oh. No!
Todd failed his mission. Mooshie killed Plooshie during their epic battle for the ages, causing the US government and the FBI to retaliate and nuke the entirety of Mooshie's kitchen. Todd was sadly killed in the blast. RIP Todd. 1990 to 2023. Alright, yeah, I think that's good. Use that.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's my question. Is he better than Joe Biden? If so, I'd like to live in that universe.
I work alone.
I forgot about that.
in Mooshie's footsteps. I'm gonna kill everybody. Yeah.
I saw that there was like a bad review, so get that I'll listen to this banger. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go. Speed run. Don, is that you? You're crazy for coming back here. Hey, look, listen, if you want to escape, but just, you know, get the thing from, you know... Okay, I'm speed running, go, 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 go. Okay. No, not here. Okay, you want your team biscuits. I shall find them. Okay, let's check over here first. No, nothing? Oh, they're right here. Okay. Go. Okay. Okay, here you go. Okay. I think I'm gonna attempt and hit Mooshie with the crowbar because I can't. No, I need that. All right, bring it on. Stop doing that. Huh? Okay. 6556. What the? Wait, don't tell me it reset it. Hold on a sec. Huh? Wait, did I already open this? Okay then. Okay, let's see. Still ready. Okay. Well, I think I might have encountered a glitch. I know, you want me to pull the knives out, don't you? Pull them out. Okay, I got you, blah. I got you, lad. Hold on, let me just... There you go. I got you. Okay. We shall ban him together. Hey, poopy butt face. Wait, what does this sign say over here? Oh, you're gonna go use the bathroom? Okay, I'll just wait here then. Oh, okay. Alright, come on. Let's do this. Come on. Follow. What? No, yep. Okay then. Okay then, he just lost interest in me. That's, kinda rude. I suppose I shall wait. Here for him. Gonna wait for him to stop salsa dancing. Come over here and fight me like a man. And Plooshie. Together. Come on, we got this. We did it. Let's go. Yeah. We did it. Oh my god. Yeah. You helped free Plooshie, and Plooshie kill Mooshie. Plooshie now go see Steve and get remarried. Let's go. Does this mean I can be tax-free? Oh my god, yes.
Todd, you saved my Plooshie. Yes, Plooshie is my wife. We love each other a lot. Thank you for saving us all, Todd. I am gonna miss Mooshie's cooking, though.
Same. He made the best. Hello, Agent. Todd, congratulations for defeating Mooshie. For your service to our country, you will never have to pay taxes for the U.S. government ever again.
Yippee!
You will also need to go with witness protection. Let's go. The President of the United States thanks you, Todd. You absolute fucking legend.
Todd succeeded in his mission and was granted tax-exempt status by the US government. Todd can now live the rest of his life tax-free. That's the most important thing to come out of this whole situation. For a short moment, Todd is finally able to realise, for one short moment, that it was all worth it in the end. Mooshie going crazy and killing everyone was the best thing to ever happen to Todd. If Mooshie hadn't gone crazy, Todd would still be paying taxes.
That is true.
Duh! Also, Plooshie and Steve got married, but nobody gives a F about them not paying taxes over marriage. Rip Mooshie, 1969 to 2023.
That was quite the banger. Anyways, oh, there's an endless mode. Nah, not gonna play that. Actually, you know what? I'll give it a shot. Fuck it, impossible. Survive the waves of cannibals for as long as you can. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, just brings me back here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it here. What happens if I press escape? Ah, there we go. Peace. Anyways, I shall see you guys in the season finale of Mooshie's Kitchen. So, yeah, bye everyone, and have a great day.